guys, it's your girl Ada and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make exfoliating body sugar scrub. This sugar scrub is going to exfoliate your skin. You have to exfoliate your skin every 3 times in a week to remove all the dead cells from your skin, so that any lightening body cream that you're using is going to work very fast. And in today's body scrub I'm going to add lemon. Lemon is a natural lightening ingredient to the skin. It's going to lighten your pigmentation, dark spots, and it's going to lighten your skin as well. And I will be using my lemon pea powder, which serves as vitamin C, and the lemon actually is also vitamin C. And I will be adding olive oil and my honey for moisturizing. Okay guys, I have already juiced out my lemon. So at this point I'm just going to pour in my oil first, and I will add in the lemon, the powder, and the honey. Okay guys, let's get to work. Organic olive oil. And my honey. My lemon pea powder, orange pea powder. I made this myself. In my other video I'm going to teach you how to make orange pea powder. And lemon. Okay guys, when you notice your scrub is too light and you don't like it light, you want it to be a little bit thick, you can add more sugar to your scrub. I like my scrub to be thick. You can see how thick it is. When you use this scrub to scrub your body and your face and wash off your face with cold water, you are going to see how calming and smooth your skin is going to feel. I need more of this scrub so I can use it 3 times in a week. I don't want to make anyone again for 1 week. And I need more of the juice. Yeah, my sugar scrub is ready. I'm just going to extract it to my container. And thank you guys for watching, and I love you all. Please try this sugar scrub. You're going to like it. It is not expensive. You can skip the honey part if you don't want to use the honey, but try to add oil to your sugar scrub to lock in moisture on your skin. Okay guys, and this is my sugar scrub. I use this 3 times in a week to exfoliate my skin. Try this, guys, and thank me later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Stay tuned for my other next video.